Namaste, friends. We're going to go ahead and start on our hands and our knees. Start to connect to your breath. Find the right space in between your knees. Could be close together, could be wide. Just find what feels good to you. We're just going to wake up the hips and the knees. So just try to roll onto one side and to the opposite side. Connect into your breath and just play with a few neck rolls. Looking over one shoulder, back to center, and switch. Good, with your eyes closed, just feel the neck roll from side to side. Feel the hips starting to relax, starting to feel heavy, moving back towards your heels, farther and farther each breath. We're going towards child's pose, so slowly start to scoot your hands a little bit. Good, maybe rolling the neck, shaking it out. So we're moving towards child's pose, we're just taking our time. Good, slowly dropping the head and relaxing the neck. Good, just find that place of ease. Let the breath flow easy through the lungs. Some of us are going to come onto your fingertips. So try to come on your fingertips. Notice how that changes the dynamic of the pose. Couple last breaths. See if you can relax a little deeper. Slowly we're coming out of the pose, crawling the hands forward, shaking the head, shaking the neck, shaking the arms. So taking our time. Good, and slowly coming out of the pose just as luxuriously as we came in. So maybe scoot the knees together. Use your hands to come up. Good, take your time. Still waking up. Good. And stretch the right leg back. Rocking forward, shaking the head. Any movement you need to take. Good, and then we just switch sides. So press the left leg back. Shaking it out. Rocking forward and backward. Today we're going to try to move with freedom. Good, so we're going to just do the same thing. Switch sides. This time we're going to go a little faster. Inhale, extend the leg back. Exhale to center. Good, just go at your own speed. A few rounds. Good, and we're going to come up to plank position. So tuck the toes. Press the knees up, legs straight. Good, and then exhale, touch the knees to the mat. Good, we're going to repeat. Inhale, straighten the legs, plank pose. Exhale, drop the knees to the mat. Inhale, plank. Exhale, dropping down. Good, each round, try to go a little deeper. Pressing the legs even straighter each round. Good, last few rounds. Good, some of us are going to stay here. Pressing the legs back. Activate your core. Gaze is slightly forward. Find that right level with the hips. Good, and some of us are going to stay here. Some of us are going to lift the right hand and the left hand up, touching opposite shoulders. Good. Just keep the spine straight. Plank. Just a few of these left. Again, any movement is totally welcome. Good. And then exhale. Child's pose. Inhale, tilt the pelvis, open the chest, look to the sky. Exhale, rounding the spine, tuck the chin towards the chest. Good. So we're just going to go really slowly. Go at your own speed. Feel each movement of the spine. And just connect to your breath. Each round, try to go a little deeper. So move your spine like a wave. Inhale, tilt the pelvis, open the chest, look to the sky. Exhale out the mouth. Maybe shake it out, chin to chest. Good. Try to close your eyes. Do a few rounds with your eyes closed. A few more. Good, and then we're going to look to opposite sides. So look over your right shoulder, back to the hips. Good, inhale, center, exhale, switch. So look over the left shoulder towards the hips. Good, just a few of these rounds. Just go at your own speed. Inhale, look over the right shoulder. Good, and switch. Good, now we're going to combine the last two. So it's cat-cow with the side tilt. So close your eyes and let the spine be free. Let the spine flow where it wants to go. So combine, it's like a cat-cow with the sideways cat-cow. Just follow the spine. Where does it want to go? Find any sticky spots and use the motion, use your breath to iron out the kinks. Good, few more rounds. Just flow, flow. Let your breath guide you. Shake it out. Good, shake, shake, shake it out. Good, and we'll come to center. From here, tuck the toes. Push the knees up to plank pose. Good, and then exhale, hips up and back, downward facing dog. Good. Inhale, come to plank pose. Let the movement start from your hips. Exhale back to downward dog. Good. We're going to make a flow. Inhaling to plank pose. And exhale, downward dog. Good. So you just go at your own speed. You go at your own rhythm. Just listen to the sound of your breath. We let the breath lead us. So the breath is primary. The movement is secondary. So we're going to try to link the breath with the movement. That is the key. Good. Inhale. We're going to lift the right leg up to the sky, bend the knee, and we're going to make big circles. 3 circles with that right knee. Draw big circles. Each round, try to draw the circle a little bit bigger. Good. And then just switch directions. 3 big circles. Any movement is welcome with the head, with the neck, with the shoulders. We're just trying to move to be free. Good, last round. Good, shake it out. Good, and we will switch. Inhale, left leg up, and the knee, open up the hip. Big circles for 3. Not in the head, yes or no. Any movement is welcome here. Last round. Good, and switch directions. Let the tension go. Wherever it likes to hide, just let it go. Let's slowly come back to center. Bend the left leg and the right leg. Good. Hips forward and backward. Good. Just warming up the hips. Forward and backward. Good. Use the weight of your core. Activate the arms. Activate the legs. Good. Some of us are gonna stay just like that, or lift one leg up, so the left and the right. Bring the right foot forward with you, maybe elbow to knee. Good. And then switch. Elbow to knee. Hips back. Elbow to knee. Good. And then from here, we're just gonna squat down. Malasana, squat pose. Good. Hands together in front of your heart in a prayer position. And just bounce and rock from side to side. All of us. And interlace the fingers, press the palms forward, and just rock from side to side. Side to side. We're slowly going to come to stand. Side to side. Slowly starting to straighten your legs, but see how slowly you can go from side to side. Slowly, we're going to meet all the way to the top. Inhale, straighten the arms, straighten the legs. Look up to the sky, maybe bend back. And exhale, hands in front of your heart in a prayer position. Good. From here, release the arms. Jump the feet together. Namaskar. Moment of gratitude. So think of one thing you're grateful for in your life. Just one thing. Hands in a prayer position. Chest is open in a receiving gesture. Thank your Maker for one thing in your life. Just one thing. Exhale out the mouth. Maybe releasing the arms. One last breath in gratitude. Good. Slowly come to the front of your mat. And we're going to come down to a squat. So touch the fingertips to the mat and then inhale. Arms forward and just drop the hips down into a seated position. Good. Inhale the arms up to the sky. Interlace the fingers, palms up. Good. And then exhale, just twist to the right. Inhale, straighten your spine. Exhale, twist a little deeper. Good. 2 last breaths. Last breath. Good. And then bring your left hand to your right knee, right hand behind you, and twist. So use your hands to help you twist over your right shoulder for 3, 2, 1. Exhale a little deeper. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Inhale, come all the way back to center. Interlace your fingers, but switch the interlace of the finger. Inhale, palms to the sky. Good, and then exhale, twist to the left for 3. Inhale, straighten your spine. Exhale, twist a little deeper. 2 more. Good, 1 more. Exhale, twist a little deeper. Good. Right hand on the left knee. Left hand behind you and twist a little deeper. Use your hands to help you twist a little deeper. Each exhale, see if you can twist a little deeper for 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhale, arms to the sky. Good. And then exhale, release. Good. Hands behind you. We're going to press the hips up, open the chest, look to the sky, drop the head all the way back, just open for 3. Some of us, if that's too much, just keep your chin tucked to your chest for 2. Open for 1. Slowly release. Drop the hips down. Good. Shake it out. Good. And from here, we'll take Shavasana. Scoot the hips forward and lie down comfortably. Good. Shake the body out. Any tension, any tightness, let it go. Thank you so much for coming. Namaste. Take at least 1 minute here in Shavasana. See you next time.